Hey everyone, so today we are still in Miami and we've been dealing with that 45 knot wind coming through, gusting a little higher. I think the highest we've seen in the past 2 hours is 45 knots. So 45 knots coming, there's the city of Miami. So just after I made the last video, well, all heck broke loose around here. So first thing what happened was there's an old piece of junk boat over there, and he spent all his money on his stereo as opposed to anything else, and he got tangled up around that a boat had got tangled up with North 45, which had dragged and tangled around the anchor. So we had to cut it loose. Holy cow, this wind is something else right now. We had to cut it loose and we gently guided it with our dinghies, and it's parked on shore over there with another sailboat. There are a number of boats over there that are now beached. It's been quite a day, and you know, it's different here in the U.S. because people are so litigious. You don't even want to touch anything. So when you want to save people's boats, and we did save a couple boats today, and we had to gently land one over there, which was a little bit weird, cutting somebody's line and taking him to beach. But we couldn't get his anchor up. He had tangled around another boat. So this is the Marine Stadium. This is the future location of the Miami Boat Show. And as windy as it is, there are still these cruise boats coming in for people, but they're not lasting long today. I think they're coming in here for a nice protected anchorage, but it's just too damn windy. So anyway, folks, take care. Have a great day. This is Phil from Desperado 2.